All right, it's super windy out here, so we're gonna move the Jeep in a second. If you watched my videos before, I did a likes and dislike, and there was only one dislike on this Jeep Willys Wrangler, and that was the auto stop start. So I took care of that today and installed this product, which is called the AutoStop Eliminator. Basically, it's just a harness. It's not an install video. But it was one of my gripes before, so I wanted to address it because I said I was going to get it, and I want to show you what brand I got. So this is the actual part number for it. It comes as just a harness with a little Eliminator, whatever module on it. And what it does is basically when you start it up, which I'll show at the end of the video, is it eliminates the need to go ahead and turn this off every single time. But Eliminator is not really the right word, because if you want to utilize it, you still can utilize it. You can press this button and make it to where you're going to have auto stop start. I don't know anybody that wants to do that in their Wrangler, because I know pretty much the overwhelming majority hate to have to press this button every time, or they hate the fact that it shuts off your engines at lights, and when it's hot, you know, your AC cools off a little bit. There's just a lot of reasons to hate it. The wear on your motor, etc. So, like I said, I installed this, and I will tell you this on the 26. If you have big hands, it's not as easy to get to that cable as the guy in the video that's doing it. He seems to have a pretty easy time. So if you have bigger hands and you are installing this, I think there's a little more plastic in the 26 Wrangler under the dash. Not for sure, because I've never installed this on a 25, 24. But yeah, pain in the butt to get my hands up in there. We got it done though, and then from here I'm gonna be relatively quiet. I'm just gonna start the car and show you that all I do is I press the button, and then a second later this light will pop on. So no need to do this anymore.